Okay friends, here we go. This is a 2017 Chevy Tahoe LT, 121,000 miles on this truck. I got this from a friend of mine I grew up with since middle school. We were next door neighbors. This was a company vehicle of his own company. He had several vehicles. And I picked it up because it's just a really clean one. You know, usually you see these older Tahoes with a lot of miles and they're really beat up, but however this one did not haul kids around all over the place, and really nice. It's got I think one little kind of ding right here, but as far as the sides go and the front, there's no door dings there, no scratches up and down it. Nice Michelin tires that are fresh. The wheels aren't all curved up, no marks on those. Bumpers look good. So, you know, I like to get the stuff that's clean. Even if it's got miles on it, I'll take it if it's nice and clean. So, it's a non-smoker. Take a look inside. Kind of your basic LT. It's got leather, power seats, it's got the Bose sound system. It does have the trailer brake controller here. It's got lane departure warning. Up here, you've got all your screen for apps for different things there. It's got rear camera also, heated seats. It's got a DVD aftermarket right there, big screen, it does work. And we got the captain's chairs, so everybody wants those. WeatherTech floor mats have kept the carpets nice. So overall, in this price range, I think you would be hard pressed to find another one this clean for this price. And it's well serviced, it sounds good, there's no warning lights on. Shift's good. So go ahead and call us, text, email. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Click subscribe. Go over to Instagram. Find us there at Rogers_motorcars. But this is a nice Tahoe for somebody. Maybe you've got a kid turning 16, one going to college now, needs a better vehicle, or you just need to upgrade to something bigger and you don't want to spend a bunch of money. This is a really good option. So hope to hear from you guys on this. We'll talk soon.